So this is the part number 2 of this project. If you didn't watch part number 1 yet, I would suggest you to click on the link below to watch the part 1. Like that you will have a full understanding about how to create the same project like the one you're gonna about to see. Again, welcome back, and remember this video is gonna be in 2 languages, French and English. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you in detail how to do that. Let's continue. So welcome back for part number 2. For those who didn't see part number 1, I have a link into the description below. You can click on it to see, and also on your top right corner I post the video. You can go ahead and see part number 1 before watching this video, because this is part number 2. So if you remember at the beginning, I said that I used the plywood because at first I was thinking to, either put some wallpaper or laminate sheet, but I changed my mind to cover that with some drywall. So I'm putting some dry mud right now, and I'm gonna sand that to make it beautiful. Now I finished to apply my drywall mud, and it's all dry. It's a good 24 hours to give it up, and then it's gonna be dry. You definitely need to put some mask to use a good respiratory system mask to kind of breathe properly, because it's gonna be really dusty. So a lot of dust gonna come out, and it take a good I would say 1 to 2 hours to fill, to clean that, to sand it properly as you should be. So after a good 2 to 3 hours sanding that fireplace area, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove all those tape on the floor, because I did put some tape to protect my flooring. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and then I'm gonna add some trim just to make it beautiful, like the wall, like the flooring. So one thing I was about to say, guys, if you try to do that at home, so to sand that, you will need to cover all your furniture in the room, because the dust gonna be really heavy on your furniture. So go ahead and do that, because it took me a lot of time to clean up all those dust. So now I'm gonna add some wallpaper at the inside my fireplace, just to make a little bit of contrast, make a little bit of look. It's gonna look really nice. Honestly, when the light flashing at the back, it's a nice background, I would say, for the fireplace. If you're using a small TV, it's even gonna be beautiful than mine, because I'm using an 86-inch LG TV, so it's gonna cover it. But if you're using a really small TV, it's gonna be beautiful, as you can see right here. Already beautiful. You can see the difference, guys. It's all nice. My fireplace, it's all paint. It's nice. Now I have my wall paper on place, so as you can see, it's beautiful. I love it already, and I also put some molding. So I have a video to show you how to install the molding. It's coming soon, guys. So now time to do the lighting. So first I'm gonna use a long LED stripe. So this one, it's pretty good, and I find it's really solid. So I have a video show you exactly how to install that, guys. I'm gonna post it soon for you. Already I put that in, as you can see right here. I just need to secure that to make it straight line, so you don't want it to all over the place. You're gonna use some pin to hold it on. So you can go ahead and do that. And then I'm using like a small piece of string to kind of make a nice contrast, because I don't want the LED light to come out of the, in front of the TV. I want it to stay at the back, so it's good to cover that a little bit.
You'll always be my night sky.
So after my LED, now it's time to install my Q plus spotlight, which is really nice, guys. Those spotlights are amazing. I find they really work beautifully in the area, like a living room or fireplace, wherever you want to put them. You can just use them easily, and it's easy to install as well. And I also have a video to show you how to install those Q plus spotlight. Those are really easy to install, and there's a positive negative wire. You just need to wire that easily, and then you're good to go. If you're not good with electricity, or you don't have license or anything like that, it's good to hire a professional to do that easily and safely for you, because electricity can be dangerous, and it can make a big damage for your house and life threatening too. So go ahead and hire some electrician to put that for you if you don't know how to do it properly.
When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So one thing I was supposed to do, guys, and I forgot to do it, is to make the holes for the pot line. So that was the first thing I was supposed to do, but I forgot. So I'm gonna go ahead now, create the 4 area for my pot light. So again, the measurement is important, so I don't show you that in the video, but I did take the measurement to center all those lights. It's important to center those lights properly to light them up, so it doesn't look ugly when you finish the portion.
All these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from.
Now I got all my 4 spotlight center and line up. It's pretty good, same size. So I think right now I'm ready to install my spotlight. So again, to remind you that it's a dangerous job to do if you don't know how to do it. Electricity can be dangerous. It's important to hire a professional to do that for you in case you don't know how to do it.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
So after doing the wiring, so all I need to do now is calling my friend, which is an electrician, to verify everything for me. before I plug it in, and when it said yes, it's good to go, and I go ahead and plug it in. I got my lights on, it's worked properly. So already guys, you can see the difference. It's look nice, look good. All I need to do is install my TV, my fireplace, and some decor, and it's good to go. I got my lights on, my LED strip line up there on there also, and the back. There you go, it's all set, all good. Already I can see the difference guys, it's beautiful. I installed my TV. That was a pretty big job, you know, to install the 86-inch TV, and the final result is this. Beautiful, it's amazing. The result guys, it's crazy. I couldn't even believe it in my eyes. I know it take 3 weeks to build, and believe me, it wasn't an easy job to do, and realize that was a really big project. If you want to do a project like this guys, don't be afraid, just put yourself at work and you will be able to accomplish this. If a guy like me can do it, you can do it as well. So if you're new on this platform, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the next comment video. I don't want you to miss that at all, because the project I'm gonna post next week, it's major, and I believe that can make a big difference in your house. So go ahead and add that on your list. Click on the subscribe button and click also on the bell to notify when I post the next comment video. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week, because every week we got a new video for you. It's all about tips and tricks. Stay tuned and stay blessed. God bless you all.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,